Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I have already bought this iPhone 13 last year. It has been already more than 1 year that I have bought my iPhone. Last year in the offer, I got three equipments for my iPhone, and the first one was this charging port, and it's so good. Secondly, I got this clear case. Third one, it was a screen protector, and I have already recorded before the use, but I have not posted, and it has been already more than 1 year. So now I am going to do the post, and it's my unboxing of the iPhone 13. Firstly, I have ordered this iPhone from Daraz, and I have also got other equipments as well. Okay, now let's open this. Oh, this was my first iPhone ever. But look, the screen protector was damaged when I bought it, and it was so boring. It was so bad. Hello, bonjour, everything. Okay. Now let's set up. I set up this. Then I have also entered my verification code. I have prepared the Apple ID here, the first Apple account of mine. Then I also kept some password. I made them. How are you guys? It has been so much that I have not posted as I have recorded, but I want to post it now, so I'm posting. It is also like review. My review goes like this. Basically, this iPhone is really good. It does not glitch and does not hang as well. It is really smooth, so you can buy it. I have got this June of 2025, and now it's been August 2026. It means it has been already 14 months. I have some pros and some cons as well. Firstly, talking about the pros, the camera is really great. The quality of the Apple is unbeatable. It is very good, but it consumes a lot of battery. You should be very careful about the battery health. Now the battery health of mine is already 88%. Honestly, I recommend you to use this mobile for the basic little use only. Thank you for watching. Bye.